Hi guys, I'm Shweta. Welcome and thank you for joining. Today I'll be sharing my everyday go-to makeup look that hardly takes 5 to 7 minutes and that is super easy and that instantly brightens up your face. So let's get into the video. So guys, I've already moisturized my face with an oil-free moisturizer since I have an oily skin, and now I will conceal my under eyes and the spots. This is the Blue Heaven Photo Perfect Concealer in this shade 01 Beige, and it is priced at rupees 150. I will apply it on my acne and acne marks and also on the under eyes. It helps to brighten up the under eyes. I used my fingers to blend it. You can use brush or sponge if that is more convenient to you. I personally like using my fingers as it is easy and it also blends it quickly. Now to set the concealer, I am using Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact in the shade Melon, and it retails for rupees 500. I will apply it on my neck and face, especially on the areas where I have applied the concealer. Since I have an oily skin, so I applied the compact all over my face and neck. But if you have dry skin, you can set only those areas where you have applied the concealer, such as the under eyes or the forehead. For the eyebrows, I will apply mascara with a very light hand because we want them to look natural. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara, which is priced at rupees 335. Filling your eyebrows is important as it enhances our look. I am removing the excess mascara with the help of my fingers and running my fingers in my hair to clean them. For eyes, I'm just going to apply Kajal from Swiss Beauty in my waterline. You can apply eyeliner as per your choice. I like applying Kajal, so I applied Kajal in this look. Now mascara, I will use the same Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Now personally, I love applying mascara on my lashes. I feel like it makes my eyes look wide awake. It gives your lashes some volume and definition. You can even skip mascara or you can apply any transparent mascara as per your convenience. And that completes the eye. And now blush time. I'm using Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight Palette and it is priced at rupees 399. Applying it with a very light hand on the apple of my cheeks. It adds a very nice flush of color to your cheeks. You can even apply your lipstick as blush and you don't really need to buy it particularly. You just need to apply a bit of your lipstick onto your cheeks and blend it properly and you are done. Last, lipstick. I am using this Lakme Enrich lip crayon in the shade Mauve Magic and it retails for rupees 275. I love this shade. It gives a nice pink flush to your lips. I mean, who doesn't want to have pink lips? And it gives a natural look as well. This is my go-to lip color. You can apply any lip color of your choice. Here I'm blending my lip color a bit to give it a more natural look. And here we are done. So guys, this is the final look. I have put on these beautiful silver hoops which complements this look even more. This is the easy, practical and affordable makeup look if you wear your makeup every day. It is appropriate for college, office or even if you feel like putting on your makeup on everyday basis. It can give you a better frame. Do give this look a try and do let me know if you liked it. You can even share any video ideas that you want me to do for you guys. I would love to do that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do subscribe and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.